All right, so we'll take a look at another example where we have to create a quadratic equation from a real life example here. Synchronized divers perform matching dives from opposite sides of a platform that is 10 meters high. If two divers reach their maximum height of 0.6 meters above the platform after 0.35 seconds, how long did it take them to reach the water? So we know a few things here. We know their starting point is at 0, 10, right? So time is 0, x is going to be time, y is height. So we know that. We also know that they will jump and eventually they'll hit the water. At this point here, this is what we're ultimately looking for. We also know our point right there, which is our vertex, which will be 0.35, 10.6, right? So after 0.35 seconds, they'll reach their maximum height of 10.6 meters. So to come up with a quadratic equation out of this, we need to look at our vertex form. So we plug in what we know. We're trying to solve for a, by the way. We plug in what we know. We know our vertex is at negative or 0.3. Our x value is 0.35. We know the y value is 10.6. Now to solve for a, we grab one other point on the graph, which we happen to know at 0, 10. So the y value is 10. So we're going to subtract 10.6 from both sides. So negative 0.6 is equal to a times whatever 0.35 squared is. So let's grab a calculator. 0.35 squared is 0.1225. Let's get some more space here. We divide both sides by 0.1225. I get a is equal to negative 4.9. So we plug that back into our equation right here. We get y is equal to negative 4.9 x minus 0.35 squared plus 10.6. 6. I just want to draw a 6. There we go. So now we can take this equation over to Desmos and graph it, because clearly my hand drawing here doesn't tell us a whole lot of anything. So we're going to go over to Desmos, and we had negative 4.9 x minus 0.35 squared plus 10.6. So when we look at the points on the graph, we have our 0, 10. We have 0.35, 10.6 as our maximum. So when do they hit the water? 1.821 seconds after takeoff. So X equals 1.82 seconds. So after 1.82 seconds, the divers will hit the water.